help you read it, Nicholas.
I took it.
Okay.
To Nicholas from Ethan and McKenna.
Yay!
Yeah, hey, that's Ethan, your cousin, okay, boy? You want Kathy to help you?
No, I got it.
You got it? Go, 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 go. So much stuff. Yay! You got Angry Bird PJs, man.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, it's good job. Oh, you got money, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, you get money for you, my boy.
Yeah.
Good. Here, they put it here for you, okay? You got a lot of money, man. Next,
That's a big one.
that's a big one. Okay, they got to read that one. Who is from?
To Nicholas Estrada from Anti-Fasties and Alex.
From Alex Anti Francis, my boy. Okay, open that one. Oh, right there, man. Let's see what Alex gave you, man. Yeah, good job, man. Okay, open the box. Ooh. Oh man, you got pants,
Yes.
shirt, and sweater, my boy.
For New Year's.
Good job, man.
Nice.
You put it in the box right there. Put it in the box.
Show the shirt, Nicholas, the sweater. It looks cute.
Yeah.
Show it to me, the shirt. Nice. Okay.
This is my
Again,
show.
get the big one over there behind you, man.
Oh. There's a head, Dad.
It's a heavy one, man.
Come this way. Come this
Oh
way.
man, that's a big box for you, my boy.
A boost, Dad.
Yeah, you push it. Oh man,
To Nikki from Mommy and Grandpa.
that's my mommy, man.
Hey, that's Daddy's mommy.
Man, open right here, boy. Oh man, it's a big one, boy. Oh,
What is it?
oh, it's a printer.
What is it, Nicholas?
Hey, stand it up. Wait, open right here.
Turn around, Nicholas. I can record you.
Poncho.
Turn around, Nicholas.
The bench.
What is it?
Oh man.
Another one?
Yeah.
Okay,
You gotta open it.
My one, Dad.
nice one, boy.
My one bench.
Yeah. That's it?
No, it's big.
Oh, man.
So nice. You like him?
Nice, man. Go over there with Kathy.
Ikeball.
Yeah.
This is Ikeball, Dad.
Yeah, man. You get another pencil right there. Okay, that one.
Yeah.
Let's see, Kathy read it.
To Nicholas from Angel, Anthony, and Auntie Juana.
Yay.
Oh, man. nice.
What is it, Nicholas?
Wait.
Wait.
So,
The other side.
Shoe.
You like
Whoa,
it?
nice, eh?
Shoe.
They got shoes to go to school, boy.
Yeah. I like it.
Yeah, you like.
Nice.
No bench.
Well, oh, that's another one for you, man.
I have gunny.
Yeah, you got Ice-Space Angry Bird candy, huh?
Yeah.
No, it's a toy, I think. Yeah, it's a toy.
It's a toy? Okay. Okay, get the two Nikki.
From Auntie Adriana.
Oh, man, Tiana gave you that one, boy. Right there.
Wait. Look.
Slide it, slide it.
Try it.
Oh, man, you got a gun, boy.
Yeah.
It is.
Open.
Oh, nice.
Shoe.
Wow, that's beautiful.
This is mine, Dad.
Yeah, it's yours, man. Nice shirt, boy.
No bench. Yeah.
To Nicholas from Grandma Christina. That's your mom's mommy, my boy.
Huh?
Yeah.
That?
Yeah, the mommy. No, your grandma. Remember? No, yeah, your mom's grandma. Your mom's mom. We went yesterday, remember? To her house? Okay, open, boy.
Here.
Yeah.
Oh.
Nice. Okay, put it over there. Okay. Go. Ooh, man.
Amen.
Iron Man. Ooh, man, you got Iron Man, boy.
Nice.
Nice. Okay, next one. Okay, to Nicholas.
From Grandma Christina.
Oh, she gave you another present, boy.
Yeah. Ooh.
Oh, man.
Dad.
Oh, toys, man. Hey, cars, toys.
Hi, buddy.
Okay, next one, boy.
Next one.
Yeah, you got a lot more, right? No, that's not it. It's that one. Yeah, that one.
To Nicholas Estrada from Grandma Christina.
Man, she gave you 3, boy.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. More toys.
Gatos.
Let me see, huh?
Gatos.
Oh man, police car, my boy.
Liska.
Good job. Yeah, man. Okay, one more right there. That one. To Nicholas Estrada
From Uncle Juan.
for Uncle Juan, my boy.
Yeah.
Yeah, yes, your uncle, my boy.
Good job.
What is the boy?
What's that?
It's a car, man.
Car!
Good
It's
job.
a nice car, boy.
I like it.
Turn it around.
I like it, Dad.
Yeah, man. Okay, you got one more
Mama?
for your teacher, remember?
My teacher?
Right there.
Right here.
Look,
Right that one. For
your teacher. No, right there, right there.
There?
No, that was for mommy and daddy. That one, yeah.
yeah, that one.
That one?
Yeah, Miss Waters gave you that one, remember?
Yeah.
Oh, you open it, boy.
Candy.